With "Are we there yet?" still hanging in the air, you've arrived. Just like that, everything's easy. And the fun is where you park it. Or maybe a short ride to the water's edge. What's for lunch is whatever's biting, or a grab-and-go snack that won't spoil the fun. Here, even downtime has a special glow. Because when you travel with a Jayco, family fun is the only thing on the agenda. That's as true today as it was in 1968, when we built our very first RV. The sleeping quarters have changed, but the dream hasn't. Unforgettable fun and stronger family bonds for generations to come.